How to join FPL League with code. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about joining the FPL League with a code. So for that, you need to go ahead and install the latest version of FPL or PL application on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once you're in the home page, tap on Fantasy that is in the bottom of the screen between the latest and matches. Now go ahead and scroll down to find the leagues and cups. Tap on the plus icon next to join leagues. Enter the league code, and if the code is correct, you'll automatically become a member of the league. And if you'd like to create your own league, you can visit the same website and go ahead and create a new league. So that's it for this video. This is how you can go ahead and join the FPL League with code. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.